Hey everyone, in this video I will unbox and review this Bluetooth headphone from Hitage. So with that being said, let's start the video. So as you can see, this is the box of the headphone. At the top side it has this Hitage branding and here it has the model number mentioned, which is BTH386. So on this side, as you can see, it is available in two color options, yellow and black and complete black, and this one is in black color. Now on this side some of its features are mentioned, while on the back side you can see the product parameters which we will talk in the video. So now let's unbox this. So opening up the box, we get this tray inside which we get our headphone. So let us keep this aside. So first of all we have this user guide, and then we get this aux pin. So we can use this headphone with this cable as well, and then we get this micro USB charging cable. So now let us come to our headphone. So let us remove this plastic. So here is our headphone. Now first let us talk about the design and build quality of it. So it has a very clean and simple design with this circular ear cups. Now on the outer side we get this glossy finish, while on the ear cups we have this matte black finish along with Hitage branding both the sides. Also it has this space for RGB lights. Now on this ear cup we have all the control buttons, and on the other side we get all the ports. So this is a TF card slot, then we have this LED indicator, then this micro USB port for charging, then we have this aux port. After that we get this power on off button, then we get this volume decrease or previous song button, then we have this music play pause or call receive button, and at the last we get this volume increase or next track button. Also it is a foldable headphone, so you can easily fold it, and you can also adjust the headband size. So overall the design and build quality is excellent. Now let us talk about its fitting and comfort. So it has good cushioning on the headband, and if we talk about the ear cups, so they also have this soft foam. So overall the headphone is very comfortable and you can use it for long hours without any discomfort. So now let us talk about the sound quality of the headphone. So it has deep bass, clear vocals, the highs and lows are also good, the sound separation is also good, and since it has good fitting you can feel some noise cancellation as well. Overall at the price the sound is very good. And now let us talk about some more features of it. So you can use this headphone wirelessly or with the aux pin as well. Now if you are using the headphone with the Bluetooth mode, the working range is 15 meters, the charging time is around 2 hours, while the playback is around 12 to 15 hours. So that was the unboxing and review of this headphone from Hitage. That's it in the video. Thanks for watching.